Buckle up, build a boat builders, because we're about to electrify your creations with a block Tesla Model X Plaid. First, map out your build. A blueprint will help you visualize the dimensions and key features like the Falcon-Wing Doors and sloping roof. Use blocks to create a sturdy chassis. Consider using stronger materials like metal for a more robust base. Shape the front end. Angling blocks to mimic the Model X's sleek design. Add smaller blocks to create headlights and a simple bumper. Remember, it's all about capturing the essence of the Tesla's look. Now, extend the chassis to form the body of the car, paying attention to the overall length and width. Start building up the sides, leaving space for those iconic Falcon-Wing doors. The Falcon-Wing doors are tricky but essential. Use hinges and pistons to create a functional opening mechanism. This might take some experimenting, but the result is worth it. Round off the rear, mirroring the front-end design. Add taillights using smaller blocks. Don't forget to include a spoiler for that Plaid performance look. Inside, add seats, a steering wheel, and a simple dashboard for that in-car experience. Finally, test it out. Make sure it floats and drives smoothly. Add thrusters or sails if needed for propulsion. Now you have your own blocky Tesla Model X Plaid sailing the Build-A-Boat seas. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more blocky builds.